Hello guys, it's me, Legendary. Me on a polo player here. I was replacing the ECU. I've got the old ECU there, and this is the new one that I just plugged in just now. And I was replacing the clutch cable as well. So there's the clutch bit there. That's the gearbox clutch linkage. So I pull out the cable down from there. That port goes there. So this is the old cable. And I've got the new one still in the plastic. I'll show you how it is inside. Okay, so I pull out that cover off, and then this is our clutch now. This is the clutch pedal. So I dislocated the cable from the you can see there. So that cable, that port for the cable is there, that hole there. So it is a hook that hooks on the pedal. Okay, so there's no clutch for now. I'm gonna connect the cable and I will show you how it's done.